Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, left behind a wealth of wisdom in his writings, known as Meditations. Among the many valuable lessons he imparted, his insights on dealing with rejection and adversity are particularly relevant in today's world. By applying the principles of Stoicism, we can learn to use rejection as a powerful tool for personal growth and success. In this article, we will explore 13 lessons from Marcus Aurelius on how to use rejection in your favor. Lesson 1. Embrace rejection as an opportunity for growth. When faced with rejection, it's easy to feel discouraged and tempted to give up. However, Marcus Aurelius encourages us to view challenges and obstacles as opportunities for growth. By examining the reasons behind a rejection, we can identify areas where we need to improve and develop new skills. For example, if your job application is rejected, take the time to analyze your resume and interview skills to see where you can make improvements for future opportunities. Lesson 2. Reframe rejection. Stoicism places great emphasis on the development of character. Marcus Aurelius believed facing rejection and adversity can strengthen our resilience and grit. When we encounter rejection, we can let it defeat us or use it as a catalyst for personal growth. History is filled with examples of individuals who used rejection as a driving force to achieve great things, such as Thomas Edison, who famously said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Lesson 3. Recognize that rejection is often beyond your control. One of the core tenets of Stoicism is accepting what cannot be changed. Marcus Aurelius reminds us that rejection is often the result of external factors beyond our control. Instead of dwelling on the rejection itself, focus on what you can control: your thoughts, actions, and reactions. By maintaining a sense of inner peace and stability, you can navigate the ups and downs of life with greater ease. Lesson 4. Use rejection as a catalyst for self-reflection. Stoicism encourages the practice of self-examination and introspection. When faced with rejection, take the opportunity to analyze your biases, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. Ask yourself honest questions. Did I truly give my best effort? Are there skills or qualities I need to develop further? By self-reflection, you can gain valuable insights that will help you grow. Lesson 5. Cultivate indifference. To the opinions of others, Marcus Aurelius teaches the importance of self-reliance and inner stability. When we base our self-worth on the opinions and validation of others, we become vulnerable to rejection. Instead, focus on developing a solid sense of independence from external factors. Practical strategies for minimizing the impact of others' opinions include practicing self-affirmation, setting boundaries, and surrounding yourself with supportive individuals. Lesson 6. Focus on the present moment. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of living in the present and letting go of the past. When we dwell on past rejections, we hinder our ability to move forward and seize new opportunities. Marcus Aurelius encourages us to focus on the present moment and the actions we can take today to improve our lives. Mindfulness meditation and gratitude journaling can help cultivate a present-focused mindset. Lesson 7. View rejection. As a redirection toward a better path, Marcus Aurelius believed in the interconnections of all things. Sometimes rejection can be a blessing in disguise, leading us towards unexpected opportunities and experiences. Many successful individuals, such as J.K. Rowling and Steve Jobs, faced numerous rejections before finding their true path. Trust that every rejection redirects you towards something better suited for your growth and happiness. Lesson 8. Cultivate a growth mindset. Stoicism teaches the power of the mind to overcome challenges. By adopting a growth mindset, you can view rejection as a learning experience rather than a personal failure. Embrace the idea that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort and perseverance. Strategies for cultivating a growth mindset include setting learning goals, embracing challenges, and reframing setbacks as opportunities for growth. Lesson 9. Practice self-compassion. In the face of rejection, Stoicism encourages self-kindness and understanding. When faced with rejection, treating yourself with compassion and gentleness is essential. Acknowledge the pain of rejection without judgment and remind yourself that everyone experiences setbacks and disappointments. Techniques for practicing self-compassion include speaking to yourself with kindness, engaging in self-care activities, and surrounding yourself with supportive individuals. Lesson 10. Surround yourself with supportive individuals. Marcus Aurelius emphasized the importance of choosing one's company wisely. Surrounding yourself with supportive, like-minded individuals can provide a buffer against the adverse effects of rejection. Seek mentors, friends, and colleagues who believe in your potential and encourage growth. A solid support system can help you maintain perspective and resilience in rejection. Lesson 11. Develop a sense of purpose and inner drive. Stoicism teaches the importance of living a life of virtue and meaning. When you have a strong sense of purpose, rejection becomes a minor setback rather than a defining moment. Take the time to reflect on your values, passions, and goals. Develop a clear vision for your life and let that inner drive guide your actions and decisions. With a sense of purpose, you'll be better equipped to persevere in rejection and focus on what truly matters. Lesson 12. Embrace the impermanence of life. Stoicism accepts the transient nature of existence and the inevitability of change. By recognizing that all things, including rejection, are impermanent, we can maintain a healthy perspective and avoid becoming overly attached to outcomes. Techniques for cultivating an acceptance of impermanence include practicing mindfulness, reflecting on the bigger picture, and finding joy in the present moment. Lesson 13. Continuously strive for personal excellence. Marcus Aurelius emphasized the pursuit of wisdom and self-improvement. By continuously striving for personal excellence, you can transform rejection into a catalyst for growth and success. Set goals for yourself, seek out new learning opportunities, and embrace challenges as chances to develop your skills and character. By committing to lifelong learning and self-improvement, you'll be better equipped to handle rejection and achieve your full potential.